Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today's video is a good one. Today, I'm going to be trying this attachment that I found on Amazon for the Dyson SuperSonic. It is not Dyson, but I did try it yesterday and it works. So I just hope that this doesn't ruin my Dyson SuperSonic, because the Dyson SuperSonic is $400. It's expensive, it's pricey, and yeah, I just hope that this doesn't ruin it. But let's try it. I'm gonna do a little tutorial showing you guys how to use it. I'm still trying to get the hang of it because this only dries your hair towards one direction. It doesn't really curl towards the other direction. So even if I try to place it like this, you guys will see it's kind of tricky to use. So let's get right into the video. If you're liking my YouTube channel so far, please subscribe. I have so many more videos coming soon, and yeah, I'm very excited for what's coming. I have so many exciting videos coming. I am going to be trying a lot of new hair products, a lot of new hair tools. I have some very affordable hair tools that I have right here to try out. So yeah, subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far. And also guys, I applied to be a part of the Sephora squad and I need your help. We still have like a week to make it into the finalist. So yeah, if you have not left a testimonial, this is your time. Please, right now, leave a testimonial. The link is going to be in my description box. Just letting Sephora know why I should be selected to be a part of the Sephora Squad 2022. It would be literally life-changing. So please leave a testimonial for me. Anyways, I mentioned that in all of my videos because I just really want to make it into the Sephora squad this year. So please guys, I need your support and your help. Anyways, let's get right into the video. This only cost me 40 bucks. And as you can see, it's magnetic. So how cool is that? Like, who invented this? I need to know who invented this because it's pretty genius, you know? So first I am going to add some heat protectant to my hair because, you know, we got to take care of the hair. One thing that I noticed with this hair tool is that, well, the attachment is that it gets very hot. So be careful, be very careful. What I like to do is do my hair, like curl it, maybe leave the hair tool on my hair for about 10 seconds and then set the curl. I'm going to add a little bit of this IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This one is amazing. It's from IGK and it's a heat protectant. It has a lot of shine and it's a dry spray. This always makes me cough. It's a dry spray, so it's not going to wet your hair, which I like because I have pretty curly hair to begin with. So I don't want to wet my hair again, you know, and then if I put heat on it, that's not good. So I love this. This is like my go-to heat protectant now, especially when I'm going to use it on dry hair, like throughout the week to touch my hair. So yeah, it's amazing. You guys need to check it out. I'll link it down below. I'm going to turn this on. Oh my God, that always scares me when that happens. I hope this doesn't break my Dyson SuperSonic because it's so expensive. Okay. As you can see, this only dries towards one direction. Watch. You see? So it's like, and it does the Kwanzaa effect, by the way. I don't know how they were able to master that, but it does the Kwanzaa effect. It wraps around your hair on its own. You see? I'm not even using my other hand. I think that's enough, but it only curls to one direction. But look at that curl. Look at that. That's so pretty. I love it. It's just I'm trying to figure out how to curl it away from my face. I'm gonna set this curl. Actually, I'm gonna clip it because I want these curls to last. I'm actually going shopping today. I'm going to the outlets. So I want these curls to last all day. I'm trying to curl it away from my face, but it's hard. Going this way. Unless I maybe go like that. I don't know if that's away from my face. Guess I'll try it. Let's see if that works. See, it's still curling kind of like towards your face. Ooh, and it kind of made a little bit of a knot, so I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to curl everything towards my face. This is insane because if you're able to get Airwrap curls with the Dyson SuperSonic with a $40 attachment from Amazon, like, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Like, you don't have to buy the Dyson Airwrap if you already have the Dyson SuperSonic because they're both so expensive. Imagine buying the Dyson Airwrap for $500 when you already have the Dyson SuperSonic, which is $400. Like, that is $1,000 in hair tools. I know, it's crazy. It's so expensive. I like both of them, but this is pretty cool. How you can do kind of like an Airwrap curl with the Dyson SuperSonic. Pretty cool. And look, it's doing the Kwanzaa effect. It's doing the Kwanzaa effect. How is it doing it? Honestly, this works a lot better than the knockoffs, the Dyson Airwrap knockoffs that are like 40 bucks. This wraps the hair around better and it gives you a quick curl. I love that I'm able to use the Dyson SuperSonic because the Dyson SuperSonic is a very powerful blow dryer. So you're only getting the attachment, which is kind of like the knockoff part of it, but the blow dryer is still an amazing blow dryer. It's still very powerful. So yeah, I think so far, I think this is definitely worth it. I don't know if this is a little bit more damaging. It probably is more damaging than the Dyson Airwrap barrels. So just keep that in mind because this gets super hot. Very, very hot. And I mean, ooh, that is hot. If you just leave your hair on the barrel for like 10 seconds, you should be fine. And if you put heat protectant, so don't leave your hair on the barrel for too long. I really hope this doesn't burn my hair. I hope this doesn't burn your hair. And I hope this doesn't break my Dyson SuperSonic. I don't see how it would because, I mean, it's just like it's blowing out air, right? I mean, it should work. And it shouldn't ruin your Dyson SuperSonic. But just keep that in mind. I like that you're able to take pretty big sections as well. Like, I'm going to do this big section and watch how it just takes it. See, that scares me. I'll help it a little bit. You see, if you want to just take big sections and curl it for like 10 seconds to just get a little bit of a curl, you see, it's so pretty, and then you set it. I mean, I don't see how that could just damage your hair if you just do it so quickly, if you add heat protectant, and then you just set the curl to make sure that the curls last and that it takes that form that you want it to take. I'm gonna do this side now, and you guys will see that on this side it definitely curls to the side that I wanted to curl. It's curling away from my face, so it looks nice, but then this side is curling to the same direction, so it's kind of like going towards my face. But at the end, it doesn't look bad. If you're able to get the hang of it, and if you're able to figure out how to curl to a different direction, please let me know in the comments below, because I kind of tried and it's just uncomfortable. It doesn't kind of like take the position, the direction of the curl. So yeah, I mean, I tried like this, I tried like that, and it's kind of not taking it, but so hot. But that's the Dyson SuperSonic. The Dyson SuperSonic gets very hot, and I have it in the highest heat setting, highest speed, and look at that curl, guys. Like, that's so nice. It literally looks like a Dyson Airwrap curl for 40 bucks. Not really, because you do have to use the Dyson Airwrap, I mean the Dyson SuperSonic blow dryer, you know. which is $400. But I mean, Dyson should have already came out with something like this for Dyson SuperSonic people, because maybe you don't want to get the Dyson Airwrap because it's so pricey. It's $500. But if you can have an attachment like this for the Dyson SuperSonic, I mean, that would be amazing. Like if Dyson came out with their own version of this, that like kind of like two different ones that go to different directions, that would be so cool. Dyson, please think of that idea. That would be amazing. Or like the new Dyson Airwrap where you can kind of like just like switch the direction with the same barrel. If they could do the same thing for the Dyson SuperSonic, wouldn't that be cool? That would be super cool. But I don't know if they'll do that. But that would be cool. That would be so cool. Use it on dry hair. It's going to curl your hair very well. Set it for like 30 minutes and you're going to have long lasting curls, and add heat protectant. But don't use this on wet hair. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm going to set my curls and I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, so I let these set for about 30 minutes. I took these off and wow, look at these curls. They look so bouncy and so shiny. So I'm just going to keep taking these clips off. But yeah, so far I do like this. I just hope that this doesn't break my Dyson SuperSonic because it is very expensive. And I also would not recommend doing this on wet or damp hair. Like, do not do it because this gets so hot. Okay, it's not hot anymore, but it gets so hot, so be very careful. And just do it for like a couple of seconds. You only need a couple of seconds, like 10 seconds max, and you're gonna get a nice bouncy curl. You can set it so that it can be even longer lasting and more curly. You see that? I love it. I love it. Anyways, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Olaplex No. 7 oil just to kind of tame the frizz and flyaways and just kind of loosen up the curls a little bit. I'm not going to loosen them up too much because I have a long day today, so I kind of want these curls to last. So I'm just going to leave them like this for the rest of the day. But guys, look, it looks super nice. It looks very shiny. If you use really good hair products, heat protectant, the oil, and if you set the curls, just leave the hair on the barrel for like 10 seconds max. Don't use it on damp hair. Just, you know, be very careful with it if you decide to get this barrel. I feel like this could work. I feel like it could definitely give you a nice bouncy curl. I mean, look at the curls that I got. That's crazy. And I just hope that it doesn't break my Dyson SuperSonic. But I mean, I've used it like twice, and so far it's fine. It's working. So fingers crossed. I hope it keeps working because that would really suck if this ruins my Dyson SuperSonic, but I don't see why or how it would do that, you know. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you're liking my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I have so many exciting videos coming soon, so please hit that subscribe button. Let's make it to 100K subscribers. We're almost there. We're so close, so please subscribe. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please leave a testimonial. Don't forget, please leave a testimonial. I'm gonna link my testimonials page down below in the description box so that we can make it into the Sephora squad this year, please guys. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.